Good morning, class. Hope you guys are having a good Wednesday. We're halfway there to another week, another weekend. Just to let you guys know, we will not be having class Monday and Tuesday, so no work will be posted those 2 days. So enjoy your whole week off for Thanksgiving. Today's lesson is lesson 27. Our objective says I can find the percents of a quantity. I can solve problems involving finding the whole when given a part and the percent. Okay, so we're going to continue finding percents of a quantity. Let's look at example 1. Solve the following 3 problems. Write the words percent, whole, part under each problem to show what piece you were solving for. Okay, so now I have 60% of 300. There's 2 ways we can solve this. We can multiply 300 by 60% as a decimal, which is 0.60. We do this and we get 18,000, but there are 2 spaces in my decimal, so my answer turns into 180. Another way we could have done this is compared 60 over 100 to 300. Here we're multiplying by 3, so we have to do that to the top, and we also get 180. Okay? Now, is this 180 the percent, the whole, or the part? Well, it gives us the percentage here, and it gives us the whole, so the 180 is the part. Okay? Now, 60% of blank equals 300. So here what we're trying to find is the whole, because we have the percentage and the part. Okay? We need to figure out 60%. That 60% is equal to 300. So we're trying to figure out the whole. Well, let's see if 60 and 300 can compare. Okay, can 60 go into 300? It can, multiplying it by 5. So we have to do the same thing to 100, which gives us 500. Okay. The next one, 60 out of 300 equals blank percent. We're obviously looking for the percent here. Okay, 60 out of 300. I have 60 out of 300. Okay, there's 2 ways I can do this. I can divide, or I can compare to 100. Okay, what am I doing to 300 to get 100? I'm dividing by 3, so I do that to the top, and I get 20. 20 over 100 equals 20%. I also could have done 60 divided by 300. Okay. And 300 goes into 600 twice. And that's all I have left other than a 0. So it equals 20 hundredths, which is the same thing we got above. Okay. Let's go ahead and move on. It says, Priya is doing her back-to-school shopping. Calculate all the missing values in the table below, rounding to the nearest penny, and calculate the total amount Priya will spend on her outfit after she received the indicated discounts. Okay, so they're giving us an original cost, an original price, or they're giving us the discount. Okay, so we're having to figure out both. So let's look at the original price for the shirt. Okay, the shirt was $44 with a 25% discount. Okay, so let's try to figure this out. We have $44 times 0.25, 0, 20, 0, 8, and 8. We add these up and we get 0, 22, 10. Sorry, I messed up on the math there real quick. So I have 44 times 0.25 because it's 25%. I have 20, 20, 22, 0, 8, and 8. We add this up and we get 0, 10, and 11. There's 2 spaces after the decimal. So our answer is $11 is the amount of the discount that they are going to receive from a 25% off on a 44 pair of $44 shirt. Now let's look at the pants. They're giving us the discount and they're giving us the amount that discount is, but we don't know is the original price. So I have 30 over 100, which gives us 30%. That 30 comes out to $15, and we're trying to figure out the original cost. Well, what am I doing to 30 to get 15? I'm dividing by 2. So I'm going to divide 100 by 2, which gives me 50. So 50 is the original price. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the shoes. All right, I have 15 over 100, and that 15% is going to compare to $9, and I'm missing the original price. Well, are we able to compare 15 and 9? We aren't, so I have to reduce this fraction to a number that can compare to 9, and that's going to be 3, so I have to divide both of these by 5. When I do that, I get 3 over 20, which gives me 9 over blank. I'm multiplying by 3 here, so I'm going to multiply by 3 at the bottom, and our answer and original price is $60. Okay. The necklace, 10% off, and its original cost is $20. So I'm going to do $20 times 0.10, because 0.10 is 10% as a fraction or as a decimal, and we get this. There's 2 spaces after the decimal, so I add that to my answer, and the discount for 10% off a $20 necklace is $2. Now the last one, $7. Okay, I have 20% as a fraction for the sweater, and that 20% amounted in a 7% discount. I'm trying to figure this out. Well, I know that 20 and 7 can't compare, so I need to reduce this fraction to the smallest number to be able to compare to 7, and that's going to be dividing by 20. So if I divide both by 20, I would get 1/5, and then I can compare to 7. This is times 7, so 5 times 7 is 35, and that is my original price. All right, guys, lesson summary. Percents problems include the part, whole, and percent. When one of these values is missing, we can use tables, diagrams, and models to solve for the missing number. You're going to get a problem set. Okay, if you have any questions on the problem set, please let me know. Rewatch the video if you are confused and ask questions. Have a great day.